Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to find Instagram posts that you liked. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. First we need to go to Instagram. After that go to our account and after that click on this button. After that, click your activity and here we have interactions and we need to click likes. And here we have all liked photos. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.